What if your family could take luxury resort vacations? We're talking beautiful pools, beach access, the works, without ever paying the full price. A great resort for a family of 4 can easily cost $300 a night, or even more, but it's possible to avoid paying that. There are a few powerful strategies to get that luxury feel for a whole lot less. In this video, you'll get 5 of the best secrets, ranked from pretty good to absolutely game-changing. You'll definitely want to stick around for number 1. It's a strategy that can change everything. Alright, let's start with strategy number 5, which is the classic move. Timing your booking just right. This is all about playing the calendar. For popular spots, this means booking at least 3 months out, especially for that summer rush when everyone's trying to get away. You can use tools like Google Flights to track prices and see when demand is highest. But the real secret here is shifting your travel dates. Flying on a Tuesday instead of a Friday can make a huge difference. For a beach resort, that simple shift could knock $100 off the nightly rate. It's also smart to target the shoulder seasons, that sweet spot in late spring or early fall when the weather's still beautiful, but the crowds are gone. Traveling during this time can result in savings of 20 to 40% on flights and hotels. A trip to an Orlando resort in September instead of July might mean paying $250 a night instead of $400. The only catch? You have to be flexible. It can be tough with kids in school, which is why this one is kicking off the list at number 5. Coming in at number 4 is all about being smart with credit cards and knowing how to leverage their offers and points. This isn't just about getting 1% cash back, it's about being strategic. Using travel rewards cards can come with big sign-up bonuses, annual travel credits, and extra points for travel spending. Many cards also have partnerships with major hotel chains that can get you perks faster. These points can often offset a good chunk of your costs. For example, a 25,000 point bonus can sometimes translate into a $250 statement credit, which is a nice discount on a trip. The main downside is that it requires being super organized. Points can expire, blackout dates are a reality, and you absolutely have to pay your balance in full every month. If you don't, the high interest will wipe out any savings you made. It's a solid strategy, but it requires discipline. Okay, for number 3, it's time to double down on points by joining hotel loyalty programs directly. These are almost always free to join. It's worth joining several big ones, like Hilton Honors and Marriott Bonvoy. Just for being a member, you'll often get a better rate and little perks like free Wi-Fi. The real win, though, is cashing in those points for free nights. A few work trips or a couple of smaller getaways can earn enough points for a free night or 2 on your big family vacation. That's easily a $200 or $300 value. Plus, a lot of programs give you the 5th night free when you book with points. So why isn't it ranked higher? Honestly, building up enough points can be a slow process, especially for a high-end resort. And finding available rooms during peak family travel times can be tough. Not to mention, it limits you to only staying at one brand of hotels, which is not always convenient. This number 2 strategy might be surprising because it's so simple. Book directly with the hotel. Now, sites like Kayak or Priceline are fantastic for comparing prices, but they're middlemen. Going straight to the source opens up a secret door: the power to negotiate. A quick phone call can sometimes unlock deals that aren't listed online, especially for family suites. You can often ask if they can match a price found somewhere else and maybe throw in a perk, like waiving the resort fee or including breakfast. This can have the potential to save you 10 to 20% off the nightly rate, but it's not always a guarantee. It also helps you earn those valuable loyalty points, which third-party sites don't always offer. The downside is that it takes more time, and you have to watch out for those hidden resort or parking fees that can add $35 or more a night. If you're getting value from this, make sure to subscribe. We're always sharing simple ways for families to travel better without paying more. And now for the one you've been waiting for, the number 1 game-changing strategy. All the other methods are about getting a discount on the retail price. But what if you could just skip the retail price altogether? The top method is using a wholesale hotel membership. Here's the deal. Instead of trying to get a discount on the same prices everyone else sees, this is about accessing a completely different set of prices altogether. There are private booking platforms that offer what's called wholesale or net rates. the same types of prices typically reserved for travel professionals, without all the markups you see on the big travel sites. And the difference can be significant. We're talking 20, 30, sometimes even 50% less for the exact same hotel on the exact same dates. So that $400 a night resort during peak summer, you might see it closer to $200. A $1,500 trip suddenly becomes $900, just because you knew where to look. This is not a magic trick. This is just how the travel industry works. For many families, this is the one strategy that changes everything. And this is exactly why we built Family for Adventure. It's a simple way for families to check those kinds of rates before booking anywhere else. If you're planning a trip, it's definitely worth taking a look. We've linked it below, and that's the list. 5 ranked strategies, from smart timing to a wholesale membership. Luxury family travel doesn't have to drain your bank account if you know how to play the game a little. Now it's time to hear from the community. What's your #1 hotel savings hack? Drop it in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Want more travel ideas and ways to save on your next vacation? Check out this video. Happy planning!